I don't often get emotional about garden tools, but this is not your grandpa's shovel. This is like holding an instrument in my hands. This is the Roamwild multi-digger. I'm 6'2". This thing is 41 inches tall and it weighs 4 pounds and 10 ounces, and it's pretty awesome. Got some kind of heavy duty steel blade on here, which I think goes into a fiberglass handle right here, and it connects. These grips on here, these grips are just awesome. And even better than that, we've got this like hard plastic handle on here with air holes in it to make it lighter. I like the curvature of the handle, which makes it more ergonomic for me to use. This thing's actually fun to use. You've got some kind of rubber coating on here, which makes the grip just awesome. And of course, with the hole in there, easy to hang up, you know? It's got this point on the end here, which makes cutting into the ground really easy. And we've got saw blades on one side, so this thing doubles as a root cutter. The balance on it is fantastic. Let's dig some stuff and cut some roots. It's got nice sized, what do you want to call them, foot pegs on here. Watch this thing go into the ground. I mean, I got rocky soil here. This thing just cuts through this like nothing. This just makes easy work, all of this. And you know what, if I wanted to with these saw blades out here, I could chop this stuff up. You got this double handle on here. So if I wanted to mix doing stuff like this, easy. The way you use this root cutter is you turn it on its side like this, and stomp it down. Oh yeah, pretty good, huh? Look at that. Feels really strong and durable, like it's gonna be good for the long haul. It's gonna be easy enough to store away. It's my new favorite tool.